Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your PIN from the Disney Plus account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in disneyplus.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Disney Plus website where you can log into your account if you haven't done so already using your email address and your password. Once you are logged into your account, you will be taken into the homepage, from which in order to remove your profile PIN, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on Edit Profiles. Now from the Edit Profile menu, click on the profile from which you wish to remove the PIN, and this will take you into the Edit Profile page. Now just scroll down and click on Profile PIN. You can simply click on this option and you will be asked to enter your password to proceed with making any changes. After entering your password, click on Continue, and now you will be allowed to make any changes to your profile and set up a PIN if you wish. If you wish to remove your PIN, simply uncheck the box which says Limit Access to the Profile with a 4-digit PIN. You can then click on the Save button, and now the PIN will be removed from your profile right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to remove your PIN on your Disney Plus profile. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.